Well, we just moved into our house here. We have a lot of things in boxes. We have this great induction stove. The only pot that we have, if you call this a pot, that we can use on the induction stove, because our pots and pan set has not come in yet, is we have a wok. And my daughter requested macaroni and cheese, so we have it cooking in a wok. Right now we're going to be boiling the water. Let's go see in how a wok works for making macaroni and cheese. I don't see why it wouldn't be great. We have water boiling here in the wok. The macaroni is in. One thing I'm not aware of is just if there's a lot of hot spots that might happen from the induction. So we'll just stir it a little bit more. So far, success. Making macaroni and cheese in a wok on an induction stovetop. All right, the macaroni is all done. I used this strainer to be able to strain it off the edge. And I actually did it in 2 stages because cooking with one person trying to hold the wok and strain it actually was quite a bit of effort. So I gently dumped out some of the water to lighten it, and then I was able to hold the strainer with one hand and strain it with the other one. Macaroni's in there, added the milk, added the butter, melted it all up there. Now we're ready to add the cheese to it. Yep, and I have a little helper here to be able to help add it in there, so just dump it straight in. Yep, and there's one of them. You gotta hold the handle for the wok. Hold the handle. There you go. And gently stir.
And I should change
Yeah, you can change hands. All right, I'm gonna gently stir it, and then it'll all come together. We're gonna add the other one too. Right. We have our gentle stir here, getting it ready to go. Does it look good? Just doing a little taste test to make sure if it tastes good or not.
That's good.
All right. Success. Macaroni and cheese success on the wok. We'll give it a little extra stirs. All right. Look at this. All right, we're going to hold your bowl up. We'll serve it into the bowl. This looks delicious. So if you had never thought about it, wok is perfect for all kinds of cooking. Because really, it's just a big pan or a big pot. So it works. And with this induction stove, it's the only thing we have right now.